What's up, YouTube gang? What's up? It's me. I'm back again with another motherfucking video. It's your boy Jambisco. You already know. What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm here with another hit, another smash, another banger. Today I'm here with the Vendetta boss himself, the Black Eye boy, the man himself. Yes, Alkaline. Yes, he dropped a new song earlier today, about 10 hours ago, called High Props. Yes, and we're gonna give our honest reaction and review of this song. It should be a very, dope ass track. In Alkaline, his songs be pretty dope, very lyrical, full of style. You don't know. Everybody say like he's like Cartel, but I don't know. Alkaline wanna say he's by himself. He got his own style, but we're gonna check out the song High Props, see what it's about, see if it's a hit or it's a miss. You already know. So once again, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you for your continuous support. Smash that like button. You already know, and let me know what y'all want to see on the channel in the future, and any other videos that you may want to see. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into the song. This is Alkaline, High Props. Let's go. Let's get it.
Let me get high props, let me get high props.
Arms House Records.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bubble up your waistline, baby. Girl, in the sunshine, man, crazy, so yeah. I miss one piece of hotness. Come in, we take you on a ride like the rodeo. I make you bubble to the baseline, baby. Any see I hit, I tell you where we do, yeah. And she a move like a goddess. Me, we take you on a ride. Cold, real life, girl, me give high props. I'm up in your pocket till the climax, yeah. Body every season, never drop a catch another, that one not the reason. Of the quality and she not ordinary. Now I want you prettier than all the berry. My type of girl, light up the world. Any week she want, she a go get that type of pearl. Back it up again, me love it when you done that way. You're sure enough from buff band. I know me not go judge if you give me this sitting funny first day. Between me and her, that's there. Atty youngin', like a workout. Body looks so good, why take you and show off? And you me a pray, this is what me want. Take time now. Bubble up your waistline, baby. Girl in the sunshine, man, crazy, so yeah. Some other girl need to practice. Come in, we take you on a ride like the rodeo. I make you bubble to the baseline, baby. Any see I hit, I tell you where we do, yeah. And she a move like a goddess. Me, we take you on a ride.
Hey. Halfway through the track, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's a really dope ass track. I like it. It seems to be geared towards a woman, more as a girl tune, but it also can be like a girlish tune. You don't know. Yeah, man, dope track. Very high tempo. Nice melody. Full of lyrics too. Bubble for the ears and the it's a pretty dope track. I like it. It seems, tracks. This track seems like, I like this track. I'm probably gonna get a lot of niggas dances in the club. If the DJs nowadays will play new good music. But this song seems like, it make you wanna do this, just go back a girl at the club, find over here and let's go, yeah, man, I like this track, man. It seems like this was geared toward the girls, make the girl them jiggle up themselves and shake up and bubble up themselves in the party. You don't know the party and in the club, you don't know, man. Vibes like this song, yeah, man. The song I get enough man wine at the club, man, Hopefully when the girl them hear this, they don't turn up like them stiff. Bubble up your waistline, boy. I'm like it, man. Let me know what y'all think of the song in the comment section. Put a fire emoji if it's fire. Put a trash can emoji or shit emoji if you think it's a mess, man. If you think it's not so good, if you think it's garbage. So yeah, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Go ahead and check out the song on the artist page. Let's check it out. I think it's on his Vivo. Yeah, go ahead and check it out on Alkaline Music. Actually, it's on his main page. Go ahead and check it out, Alkaline Music. That's MUSIQ. Go ahead and check it out. Show the artist some love. Subscribe, Yeah, support the artist so I can keep giving us dope tracks like this, man. Really dope song. I really like it. Alkaline. That's Alkaline's High Props. Really dope song. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump right back in there and get the rest of the... finish listening to the rest of the song. And then, we're going to talk about it at the end. And then, you already know. Let's get it and check it out. Bubble up your weight and baby. Hey.
Mind on you a drive, man, crazy pull over. Need to clear body, then me want get a hold and not talk to me. Hear what me say on shoulder. Skin clean and your shape like the Coca-Cola. Say your heart cold, guess what my heart colder. In your walls and I deal with it like a dozer. And you bring your heat, make you feel like summer. Now I lead, but and you a lead front runner. So then you back, jack it up, position. Why anytime you ready, we have a good time. Tell me where it got that. Me no see nobody yet. We could have made me change my mind. Atty youngin, like American. Body looks so good, why take you and show off? I am me a pray, this is what me want. Take time now. Bubble up your waistline, baby. Girl in the sunshine, man, crazy, so yeah. I miss one piece of hotness. Come in, we take you on a ride like the rodeo. I make you bubble to the baseline, baby. And you see I hit, I tell you where we do, yeah. And she a move like a goddess. Me we take you on a ride, cold. Give me high props, give me high props. Bubble up your waistline, baby.
Yeah, man. Real dope track. That was Alkaline with collaboration with Arms House Records called High Props. Yeah, man. Very, it's a girl song. Got me a girl song too. Girl song. They say, bubble up your waistline, baby. Yeah, man. Really dope track by Alkaline. Yeah, man. The girls gonna definitely love that. Yeah, man. So the Vendetta girls pum get wet a while ago. You don't know. Yeah, man. Me know. Me see you, man. Go have yourself. Girls get wet a while ago. Me know, man. Yeah, man. Control yourself. Be yourself. So, yeah. Definitely. You don't know. You play that for your girl. You're a girl you're a girl chilling and you play that song, man. Should definitely set the vibe, Should definitely help set the vibe, So, definitely. That's a dope track. Go ahead and guys, once again, go ahead. Let me know what you guys think of that track in the comment section below. Let me know fire emoji if you think that song was fire. Shit, or garbage can emoji if you think that song was garbage. Yeah, but really dope track. What else I was about to say? Really dope track. Very high tempo. Nice melody. Yeah, girls gonna definitely love that. Should be played a lot in the clubs when you're ready for the girl them start reel up or anything. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And once again, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Guys, tell other people about this guy on my channel, please. Spread the word more. Let other people know of how lit we are over here, of the dope videos that we're doing, man. Tell me you're enjoying watching Jambisco doing his thing, man. And then she come join the family and join the movement, Come have some fun with us. You already know, we're the dopest channel on YouTube, man. Come on, you won't be disappointed. Go ahead, smash that like and that subscribe and a notification bell. Go ahead, you real. I already know. I ain't gonna look. I know you're a real nigga right now. You a real bitch right now. You feel me? I ain't gonna go ahead and do it. Thank you. I fuck with you. I'm gonna also put a link up top right here to one of my other videos. Go ahead and check that out. Definitely got some other dope stuff on the channel, man. And we got a lot of dope stuff in stores and planned. So definitely check, look, turn the notification and stay tuned. Before we go, just gonna take a quick review of the song. Gonna play from the top. You already know the very dope song, Alkaline, High Props.
What? Give me high props, give me high props.
Arms House Records.
Bubble up your waistline, baby. Girl in the sunshine, man, crazy, so yeah. I miss one piece of hotness. Come in, we take you on a ride like the rodeo. I make you bubble to the baseline, baby. And you see I hit, I tell you where we do, yeah. And she a move like a goddess. Me we take you on a ride, cold. Real life, girl, me give high props. I'ma be a bucket till the climax, yeah. Body every season, never drop a catch another, that one not the reason. Of the quality and she not ordinary. Now what you pretty and all the berry. My type of girl light up the world. Any week she want, she a go get that type of pearl. Back it up again, me love it when you done that.
Yeah, my type of girl, she not ordinary. All with you put Holly Berry. My type of girl, me blow 'em like that.
Type of girl light up the world. Any week she want, reason have the quality and she not ordinary. Now when she pretty and all
Have the qualities and she not ordinary. In Hollywood, she pretty Holly Berry. Bumbo.
berry. My type of girl light up the world. Any week she want, she a go get that type of pearl. Back it up
My type of girl, not anything she wants, she I get all type of pearl. Pala! I like, yo.
again, me love it when you done that way. You're sure enough from buff band. I know me not go judge if you give me this sitting funny first day. Between me and her, that's there. Atty youngin, like a workout. Body looks so good, why take you and show off? Are you me a pray? This I want me want. Take time now. Bubble up your waistline, baby. Girl in the sunshine, man, crazy so yeah. Some other girl need to practice. Come in, we take up and I ride like the rodeo. I make you bubble to the baseline, baby. Any see I hit, I tell you where we do. Yeah. And she a move like a goddess. Me we take up and I ride. Mind on you a drive, man, crazy pull over. Need to clear body, then me want get a hold and not talk to me. When me say my shoulder, skin clean and your shape like the Coca-Cola. Say your heart cold, guess what my heart colder. In your walls and I deal with it like a dozer. And you bring your heat, make you feel like summer. Now I teeth, but and you a lead front runner. So
When you say in your wall, I'm here deal with like those. Hola.
and you bring your heat, make you feel like skin clean and your shape like the Coca-Cola. Say your heart cold, guess what my heart colder. In your walls and I deal with it like a dozer. And you
Say I cool, well, my heart cool. In your wall, I'm gonna deal with like those. Bumbo clad. Hey.
bring your heat, make you feel like
Say your heart cool, but my heart cooler. In your wall and I deal with like those. Bumbo clad. Scoop. Hey.
summer. Now I teeth, but and you a lead front runner. So then you back it up, jack it up, position. Why anytime you ready, we have a good time. Tell me where it a got that. Me no see nobody yet. Where could I make me change my mind? Atty youngin, like a workout. Body looks so good, why take you and show off? Are you me a pray? This I want me want. Take time now. Bubble up your waistline, baby. Girl in the sunshine, man, crazy so yeah. I miss a one piece of hotness. Come in, we take up and I ride like the rodeo. I make you bubble to the baseline, baby. Any see I hit, I tell you where we do. Yeah. And she a move like a goddess. Me we take up and I ride. Cold. Give me high props, give me high props. Bubble up your waistline, baby.
Yes, once again, yeah, real dope track from Alkaline. Really high temper, really nice melody. Gal tune, kinda definitely get the girls' body bubbling. Really like this track, man. Really fun track from Alkaline. Something to lighten up this quarantine that we're going through, man. Girls gonna definitely love that. Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing them making their videos and TikToks and reaction and stuff like that, man. Once again, it's your boy Jambisco with another hit, another banger, another smash. Go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and share, comment, subscribe. Once again, it's your boy Jambisco. I love you until next time. I love you guys. And I'm out.